Hey guys, on today's video, we're going to be factory restoring this iPhone right here. Doesn't matter which one you've got, it's going to be exact same instructions for all of you. So that means we're going to delete the Apple ID, everything from within it, all the personal information, your phone number, everything. Make sure to take out your SIM card that's in here, if you still have it in there, so you should take it out. You could take that out after. It's not a huge deal. You can just take it out after we do this factory restore. Anyways, right now we're going to go right into our settings. And now I'm going to turn off my lights so we can actually see this better. But anyways, inside our settings, we're going to scroll down. All the way in the bottom, we're going to see this. Transfer, reset iPhone. Down here, last option, will say erase all content in settings. From here, it's just going to tell you this. And yes, you're going to be doing this. You're going to be deleting everything within it. So it includes your Apple ID. It's going to move some stuff to your iCloud. However, you can skip this backup. Then it's going to ask you for your Apple ID password. Just put that in, erase iPhone. And there we go. We're just going to see that Apple logo. So this is something you want to do if you're buying a used iPhone, for example. This is the first thing you want to do to test it out. That way you make sure there's no Apple IDs, no passwords into it. So you do this with the person who's selling you this. So the owner has to be there present while you're doing this, which, by the way, it's an excellent way to test that iPhone that's actually working. And hey, you always need to do this because you need to activate this phone using your own Apple ID to make sure that way it's fully yours. It's going to be 100% yours. So that way, if you ever lose it or somebody steals it from you, you can actually iCloud lock this, you can blacklist it, and then nobody will be able to use it again. Anyways, right now we're just going to see this Apple logo, loading bar, and then it's just going to be like brand new when you got it. So you're going to be able to select your language and all that stuff at the setup process. And if you're planning to sell this, I would activate the phone, but just without putting your Apple ID, no SIM card, nothing. Just don't import any personal information. I have a video that teaches you how to do that, but basically you just need to skip over all that stuff. So don't set up your Face ID, don't set up any passwords, just skip through all that stuff. Don't put in any Apple IDs, and that way the person who's getting this from you will be able to test it out without any problems. But for now, all you have to do is just wait. It's just gonna show you that Apple logo. Then from here, this starting screen where we can swipe up and set it up again if you want to. If you don't want to at this point, you can just shut it down. Just hold on to the power key here on the side. Let me just turn on my lights again. So here's the power, that's your button for Siri. And then your volume key on the top, hold on to both. This is how to force shut down a phone, and we're gonna slide it and turn it off. That's how you fully turn it off. And we are done. That would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.